If there's one part you don't want to go wrong on your Ford F-150, it's the camshaft position sensor. The thing is, this little sensor controls when your truck's brain decides to fire the spark plugs. Miss that cue, and you're in for some weird engine problems. I always hear people complain about rough idling, like your truck wants to dance the cha-cha at red lights. That's usually the F-150 camshaft position sensor crying out for help. It's a common thing, but most people don't know what's causing it. Let's be honest, no one enjoys seeing the check engine light pop up, especially when you Google the code and it says camshaft position sensor A circuit. That's basically your truck saying, "Scott, nothing works without me." Classic truck drama, honestly. So how does it work? The sensor is like a little DJ tracking the camshaft rotation so the computer can lay down the right beat, meaning fuel injection and spark timing. It scans about 720 degrees of rotation per cycle. Miss a beat and the whole show suffers. A lot of the time, people try and ignore the symptoms, missed acceleration hesitation, occasional stalling. But over 90% of F-150 owners with cam position problems say their fuel economy dropped like a bowling ball. Not cool when gas costs as much as coffee in Portland. Replacing the sensor is actually friendlier than dealing with most modern car headaches. I mean, it takes basic tools, ratchet, socket, maybe a screwdriver. About 25 minutes if you've done it before. If you haven't, maybe 45, which is still less than an episode of Stranger Things. First, disconnect the negative battery cable. Don't ignore this. I once knew a guy who got a nice shock because he thought he didn't need to. Trust me, the static of 12 volts is enough to make you rethink all your plans for the afternoon. Find the sensor. It's usually at the front of the engine, near the valve cover. Unplug the electrical connector. If it's stuck, a gentle wiggle or a plastic trim tool gets the job done without cracking anything. I always snap a pick before pulling the connector, just in case. Remove the single mounting bolt. Ford always keeps it simple here, usually an 8mm. The sensor itself might need a little twist before it pops out. Pro tip, a dab of clean oil on the new sensor's O-ring makes sliding it in much easier. Install the new sensor, bolt it down, reconnect the plug, and hook that battery back up. Don't over-torque the bolt. You want the sensor tight, not stripped. Once everything's back together, start the engine and listen. The difference is often instant and dramatic. The truth is, this sensor failure is so common that Ford F-150 forums read like a support group for people with cam sensor issues. But fixing it can bring your truck back from the dead, restoring power and smooth driving like flipping a light switch. Here's the final value. Replacing the camshaft position sensor can save you hundreds by avoiding sketchy fuel economy and engine misfires. And it lets you skip the stress of not knowing why your truck suddenly feels like it's running a fever. That's a win worth a Saturday afternoon.